2105 head end conductor radio check over.
Oh, wait, I'm taking care of something. Conductor on the point. 6 south, good for 8 cars.
05 on the point, 7 south, good for 8. Here we go. They put all these panels in here and then actually connecting it, like you can see it's actually not connected right now. Whenever they move stuff in and out, they have to pull up the track up to do that because it's not separated with like the thing that can separate the electrical connections from the signals. So they, whenever they move stuff in and out, they have to have a track gang come out here, bolts everything up, and do the move. 6. So between BNSF, Metrolink, and us, we made it work pretty quick for this and the other engine.
Here, 25 down clear, good for 20.
Down and clear, good for 20.
This is that distinctive GE chugging lines. From the 3100 behind us. It's right behind us. You hear it's chugging noise.
Chug chug.
Only crossing, lined up, north front end, good for 5505, over.
Alright, line for the main, good for 50, 2105.